Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your language on the Xbox app and games and Game Pass. So this has been an issue if you're using your primary language and then you want to switch into the English language using your Xbox Pass. It's going to be an issue because you cannot use that and you'll just probably use English as your whole default actual system preference, which is going to be your language. So here is the solution to that. So go to Windows settings right here. And then from there, you want to go to time and language. So going to time and language, you will have to select your language and region. So here, language and region is going to be selected, of course. And then drag and drop the languages in the right hand side that you want, of course. And then you will have to prefer the one you use on the Xbox, which is going to be on top, of course. So which is going to be English right here. So next is once you've done that, you go to system settings and time language and go for typing this time. So here's typing. Once you have gone to typing, go to advanced keyboard settings. Once you have done that, you will have to check your time and language here, typing advanced keyboard settings. From there, you will have to override for default input method right here. From there, you will have to choose your preferred language, and that's going to be Polish in this case. So that is your override for default input method. So there you go, guys. That is the only thing that you want, and you want to restart your computer from there. And that's the only fix that I've found for this.